Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the main control board on your refrigerator. The reason why you might do this is because your fridge isn't working, or you have other various issues from ice maker not working, hot or cold fridge or freezer sections, or other issues. For this repair, all you'll need is a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is our refrigerator model that we'll be using. Now, keep in mind that our fridge might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So after we've unplugged our refrigerator, we're going to pull it out and turn it around, because that's where we got to go. So behind this panel is where we have our main processing board, held in by these 3 Phillips head screws. So we're going to take those out. So after we take out that 3rd screw, the panel comes right off. We can set that off to the side. And here's our control board. So to take that out, we're going to unplug everything. We're going to pull these ones off. Okay, we're going to push that tab in right there. We'll push that tab in there. And we got another tab here. And one more tab right here. Push that tab in, and we can pull that right off. We got one more cord holding this on, and we'll just pull that right off. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement board. If you don't have one already, you can find one on our online store. So now we'll just reverse the process. We'll plug this back in first. That's the last thing that we did. And keep in mind that you do want to stay touching some sort of metal like the fridge right here, just so you don't cause any static electricity to discharge on the board. If you do that, the board will be ruined and you'll have to get a new one. So keep in mind that you want to do that. That goes there, and push that in. There we go. Now we got all of our cords plugged back in, so we can put the panel back on. Now that we have the panel back on, we can turn our fridge back around, plug it back in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.